Hello friends and welcome to a new episode of Spiritual EHS series. Fall from height is the leading cause of workplace fatalities worldwide. But do you know that in 24% fall from height incident workmen were actually wearing the safety harness and still met with the fatality? And it pains me a lot during audit whenever I see the worker wearing the safety harness incorrectly, and I always think that in case of fall, the chance of survival only depends on his luck. I also found that safety officer used to turn a blind eye on these unsafe acts and उनको ऐसा लगता है कि एटलीस्ट वर्कर ने सेफ्टी हार्नेस पहनी तो हुई है. And when I interviewed, I found that safety officers are ignorant on the basics of fall protection. So I use this platform to raise the awareness level of safety professionals so that they can intervene and prevent such kind of incidents happening at workplace. Now let's understand ABC of fall protection, where A stands for anchor. एंकर वो पॉइंट होता है जहां पर वर्कर अपनी सेफ्टी हार्नेस को बांधता है. एंड इन मेनी ऑफ द फॉल इंसिडेंट्स वी हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड दैट ड्यूरिंग द फॉल anchor itself has snapped away. The anchor point must be strong and stable enough to withstand a load of 2200 kg during fall. And there are two types of anchor points. One is engineered anchor point and the other is non-engineered anchor point. Engineered anchor point are designed, tested and installed according to specific engineering standard, और जहां पर वर्क एट हाइट रूटीन एक्टिविटी होती है वहां पे एंकर पॉइंट्स इंजीनियर्ड एंकर पॉइंट होने चाहिए. और इवन इन non-routine cases, company must procure engineered anchor points such as counterweight anchor, temporary lifeline or vacuum anchors to make work at height much safer. Non-engineered anchor points are structure elements which are used as anchor because of its proximity near the working platform, but the challenge is how to ascertain whether this anchor can carry a load of 2200 kg or not. Now, in such cases where you are not sure of the anchor capacity, you have to think of a scenario कि यदि इस एंकर पॉइंट को एक मिनी ट्रक से खींचा जाए तो क्या ये एंकर पॉइंट टूटेगा या नहीं. और यदि आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये एंकर पॉइंट नहीं निकलेगा, देन दिस इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एंकर पॉइंट एंड शुड बी सिलेक्टेड. और यदि आपको लगता है कि ये एंकर पॉइंट निकल जाएगा, देन दिस इज अ वीक एंकर एंड शुड नॉट बी यूज्ड. डू नॉट यूज वीक एंकर्स सच एज ladder steps, guardrails, cable trays, pipe hangers, roof holes. Designated anchor points must be inspected periodically using a pull gauge. Now the next component of fall protection is B, that is body wear. Body wear or harness distributes the load on 5 different parts of the body, thereby minimizing the impact of fall. पर हमने बहुत सारे फॉल इंसिडेंट्स ऐसे देखे हैं जहां पे हार्नेस ने पर्सन को गिरने से तो बचा लिया, बट गलत तरीके से पहने होने के कारण कई बार हार्नेस फांसी का फंदा बन जाता है. हार्नेस लूज पहने होने के कारण रिब फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है और थाइस पर एक्स्ट्रा टाइट होने के कारण ब्रेन हेमरेज तक हो जाता है. Therefore, we should know how to wear the harness correctly and what should be inspected before donning the harness. Tips for checking if the harness is worn properly or not. वर्कर का थंब डी रिंग को टच करना चाहिए. On thigh straps, maximum 4 fingers should go inside it like this and not like that. Ensure chest strap is parallel to the breastbone. Harness should not be twisted. Worker should be able to sit comfortably after wearing the harness. Harness should be inspected before each use for cuts, holes, broken stitches, D-ring distortion, harness label and the shelf life, which is 5 years. Let's look at the C component of fall protection, that is connector, which connects the anchor and the body wear together. And this includes lanyard with shock absorber, self-retracting devices and other accessories. Incident that involves wrong use of connectors are bottom out hazards, where worker head hits the floor first before the complete lanyard get opened. Number 2 is swing fall hazard, where during fall worker hit the nearby obstruction. And the third is failure of connectors. Now, how to minimize these kind of incident? First thing we all must know is what is free fall distance. Anchor point must be minimum 18.5 feet or 5.6 meter above the ground level, and in cases where this clearance is not available, we have to use self-retracting devices where SRD class A arrests the fall within 2 feet or SRD class B arrests the fall within 4 feet. Minimize the stick impact. Anchor point must be directly above the head of the workman, or he must be using the self-retracting devices. If work requires moving far away from the anchor point, then horizontal lifeline must be used to prevent the swing. To prevent the connector failure, we must use the shock absorbing lanyard, which minimizes the impact of fall from 2200 kg to less than 600 kg. Connectors must be self-locking type and must be checked for effectiveness before each use. There are many types of connector, and ensure that the correct type of connector is selected and tied off properly. Hope these fundamental tips have enriched your knowledge on fall protection, and you will keenly observe this during the height work and make necessary interventions. Stay tuned for more safety tips and keep liking, sharing and subscribing and learn safety my way.